Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to conditionally lock cells in Google Sheets. So let's start, it's very easy. Well, first let's go to Google Sheets. I'm here in Google Sheets. I create this new file. And well, in my case, this is in Spanish, but it's the same steps in English. So first you have to write your data here on Google Sheets, and when you write it, just go to the menu in this part and then go to data. Okay, then in data, go to the option that says protect your sheets. Then just click here, and here you will write the next thing, that is encrypt information. Okay, so then here you will select protect. Okay, in this case, well, it's in Spanish, but you can select this option. Here you can select one option, show a warning for someone who is going to edit, or the next is for example, give permission to use it, and you have only you, or you custom this, you can do it, and write the people that you want to allow to use or edit this sheet. In this way, when you do it, just press done, and that's it. In this way your cells are protected, and now, well, the people who you allow to edit can do it without any problem. In this way, if they don't have the permission for doing, your cells are protected for any change. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.